people, Namaskara and welcome back to our channel Wanderers Tales. Before we start this travel video, we would like to thank all our subscribers for subscribing our channel and supporting us. So today is August 7th and it's a Sunday. We are heading towards Hebri, but before we head to Hebri, we'll stay in Kadasa for one night. Right now the time is 9 o'clock. We had planned to start our journey by 6 a.m. but somehow it got delayed.
The expected travel time is about 7 to 8 hours to Kadasa, so we kind of expect to reach by 7. Let's see how quickly we can reach there. We took the nice road to avoid any Bangalore traffic we could get, and from the nice road we will hit the Hassan toll road, and from Hassan we are planning to go via Mudugere and take the Kadasa route. So we'll keep you posted about our journey. Our next stop would be for breakfast.
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! So we reached Pakashala at 10 and we kind of spent some time here. This is en route Hassan in a place called Solur. Generally Pakashala franchise as a whole is very good. We've tried many franchise and the quality has been maintained in all of the Pakashala restaurants as a standard. So if you are driving down to Hassan or Chikmagalur via the Hassan or the Bangalore Highway, you should stop here and try the breakfast menu here. Try the breakfast here.
Now we will start our journey to Kadasa, which is about 250 kilometers from this location, and it will take around 6 hours drive as per the maps. So our current ETA is 4:30 p.m.
Follow this road for 2.2 kilometers.
Let's go. We'll keep you all posted. So time is 12:15 and we have reached Hasana. From Hasana we will be deviating towards Mudugere. So from here Shruti is going to drive. So another 3 hours of drive to Kadasa. We should reach by around 4 o'clock. So let's see.
amazing. We literally came in zero visibility for about 2 kilometers. I think rain and Malnad are something you should experience. This whole stretch comes under Malnad and Malenadu as in Kannada if you translate. It's it's the land of rains and good greenery all around. So if you have to experience what Malnad is, you should come in rainy season. Now this hopeless jerkin, everything is coming inside and I'm going in.
Oh, na, let's go boys, let's go. So we reached this resort by around 4 o'clock. We had booked a resort called Upasana, which is located in Samse, about 10 kilometers from Kalasa. Let me quickly give you a room tour. Let's go.